How you would describe this event and the truck out? How you would feel it about this?
Well, I'm very proud that we were able to have a truck in the traditional truck art style that celebrates Pakistani relations. That is the whole point.
How do you think that this activity in Euro village can build a very peaceful society to exchange of diversity and cultural things your people in Pakistan? This initiative, do you think it's a better and it should be more in coming years to come for the sustainable society?
Yes, the whole point of Euro Village is to show Pakistan, part of Pakistan, what Europe is all about. So it's all about unity and diversity. And that's something that Pakistan is about as well. So we are inviting the public here so that they can learn about different European countries, cultures, languages, play games, have fun, and do it in a fun way.
Your Highness, when you were a really short video on social media, and it was really appreciated by the people of Pakistan, especially the people of KPK. And your style was, like a Pathan, and pushing on the tires and then driving here. It was fantastic. How you would explain your sentiment and culture, keeping in mind your European settings? How you would react to that particular style?
Well, we wanted to do something that would touch the heart of Pakistanis, that would be familiar, but also use it as a way to invite people to Europe and talk a little bit about Europe.
Okay, what was the aim of this event that you suppose the member states of the European Union had planned this event? What were you expecting to come out of this event?
A lot of people know about the European Union, or they know about specific member states, but they don't know how many we are, the smaller ones and the bigger ones. And we wanted to open Europe to